Welcome to the College of Engineering Change of College Workshop video. My name is Philip Medlock and I'm one of the freshman advisors here at the college. Every student creates their own path to completing a U of A engineering degree. Maybe you've always known you've wanted to pursue engineering, or maybe you've already completed some coursework as a college student and now want to change your major. No matter your situation, the college has a review process in place to help you become a Wildcat engineer. Incoming freshmen or transfer students who have not completed any U of A coursework may utilize the change of college process to be considered for admission to engineering. You may wish to explore this option if you were not admitted to engineering upon first review and now have new information, or you did not list engineering on your initial U of A application and now wish to be considered. New information that would qualify you for a re-review includes ACT, SAT scores, new transcripts, or ALEX placement test results. As an incoming student who wishes to be reviewed or reconsidered for engineering, you are not required to complete the entire U of A application process a second time. You should simply fill out the form at engr.arizona.edu/change-college, seen on the bottom of this slide. This indicates to the college that you want our review committee to take a look at your application. Keep in mind that the College of Engineering performs a comprehensive review of each applicant, paying close attention to things like math and science coursework, grades, academic rigor, and test scores. Our goal is to admit students who show a strong foundation for success. If you are not admitted to engineering prior to beginning at the University of Arizona, or if you change your mind later and decide to pursue a degree in our college, you should utilize the change of major process. This would be your option if you are currently enrolled in courses as a U of A student. You must have completed 12 U of A units in math, science, and engineering coursework, including a C or better in Calculus 1 for your intended major, and also meet the admissions GPA required for your intended major. Your coursework and GPA will vary depending on which engineering major you are choosing. Once you have successfully completed these requirements, you are able to apply to change your major using the link on the bottom of this slide. The committee will review your application and contact you via UA email to notify you of the application decision and the next step in the process. The College of Engineering offers 15 unique majors. Engineering opens doors to endless career opportunities, so whether you are interested in sustainability, health, security, machines, or infrastructure, there is a major that will align with your interests. Majors such as biosystems, environmental, and mining engineering covers topics like renewable energy, water treatment, and reuse, and how to extract materials like copper from the earth safely. Majors such as biomedical, chemical, and material sciences and engineering focus on medical devices, materials for synthetics, and refining raw materials into products like potato chips or makeup. Majors such as electrical and computer engineering, optics, and systems focus on computer programming, cybersecurity, and the creation of optical technologies like telescopes. No matter what the major you choose, your U of A engineering degree will give you a strong foundation to pursue your interests or goals in industry, graduate school, or even medical school. Explanations of the different majors we offer, as well as the four-year academic plans, are available on our website at engr.arizona.edu/undergrad. Use the link on the bottom of this slide. All students take similar foundation courses their freshman year. This schedule listed on this slide will be your recommended schedule if you place into Calc 1. If you are currently not in the College of Engineering, you will be given a course substitution for Engineering 102A and B. that will meet your graduation requirement. So don't worry if you do not have Engineering 102 in your schedule. The second semester schedule will vary depending on your intended engineering major. If you did not place in Calc 1, we recommend going to your Next Step Center to study the ALEKS review and retake the ALEKS math placement with a goal of scoring 75 or higher. You can contact the engineering advising team if you have questions regarding your schedule or the process for switching your major as a current UA student. In the College of Engineering, minors are optional. We do not require you to take a second language, and Natural Sciences Gen Eds 170s are not required. Interested in learning more about engineering? Get involved by joining an engineering club. From design, build, compete to professional societies, there's something for everyone. Even if you are not currently in the college, you can join one of our 40+ student organizations. It is a great way to meet other students, get a feel for engineering concepts, meet faculty, and to build your resume. Check out our engr.arizona.edu website for more information on getting involved. If you are an incoming student with further questions, please contact engr-admissions@email.arizona.edu. As a current enrolled U of A student, email questions to engr-advising@email.arizona.edu. We will also have walk-in advising available during fall and spring semesters. Check out our website at engr.arizona.edu. We are excited you're interested in joining our Wildcat Engineering family. If you're still not sure which process to use or which steps to take, please reach out to our staff. We are here to assist you in reaching your academic goals. Thank you for your interest, and bear down.